Welcome back, guys, to our Level Up series. Let us see our today's question. Our today's question is minimum window substring. What does the question says? The question says that we are given with two strings S and T, which are of lengths M and N respectively. What we need to do is we need to return the minimum window substring of S such that every character in T, including duplicates, is included in the window. If there is no such substring, then we need to return an empty string. See, let me explain the question with the help of an example. S is given to us and T is given to us. Now we have to find one substring in this particular substring in this particular string S such that it contains all the characters of T, A, B, C. If there are any duplicates, then all duplicates should also be present in that particular substring. So we will check. So there are many possible strings in which ABC is there. Suppose A, D, O, B, E, C. In this substring also, we can see all the three characters are present. A is also present, B is also present, as well as C is also present. But we need to return shortest substring. So the A, D, O, B, E, C is of length 6. This particular B, A, and C, this is of length 4 only. So the shortest substring which is possible, which contains all the characters of TR, B, A, and C. So what we need to do is we need to return this particular string. In the similar way, in the example number 2, S is A, T is A. So there is only one substring A which consists of all the characters of T. So we are going to return that particular substring only, that is A. In the next one, S is A, T is double A. What happens in this particular case is there is no possible substring of S such that all the characters of T are present in it. We have to find any string in any substring in S which consists of at least 2 A's. But this is not possible. So what we need to do is we will return a null string in this particular case. So I hope the question is clear to you all along with all the three examples. So let us see the approach of this particular question. First of all, we have calculated the length of both the strings S and T. Then I have made one map in order to store all the characters of T. So for int I equals to 0, I less than L2 I plus plus, I'm traversing through the string T and storing all the elements of the string T. That is MP at the index of T at the index of I plus plus. Then I have maintained two pointers, that is int L equals to 0 and R equals to 0. One variable answer, and initially I have taken it as int max since I have need to find the shortest possible substring. So that is why initially I have initialized it with very big value, that is int max. The string final, which is going to store our shortest possible substring, and one variable we have defined counter, which is equals to 0. Then I am using the sliding window approach, in which this R variable we will use for expanding our string, whereas this L variable we will use for shrinking our string. So see, while R is less than L1, if MP at the index of S and the index of it is greater than 0, what does that mean? This means that that particular character is present in our string T. So we need this character in our substring. So then what we will do, we will increment this value of counter. Then MP at the index of S at the index of R minus minus. If at any time our counter becomes equals to L2, what does it mean? It means now the substring which we have with us contains all the characters of the string T. So then we will compute that particular length of the substring, that is R minus N plus 1. If it is lesser than answer, then we will update our answer variable as well as our final substring. Then we will increment the value of MP S at the index of L plus plus. Now see, this is an important condition again. If MP at the index of S at the index of L is greater than 0, what does it mean? It means we are deleting that particular, now we are trying to shrink our substring. So when we will shrink, we are going to delete some of the characters. So this condition will become true when we are deleting that particular character which is present in our string T. So it means we will change the value of counter equals to counter minus 1. Now this condition will become false and this loop will get terminated. We will increment the L pointer, we will increment the R pointer. At the end, in our answer variable, we will have the length of the R substring, which is containing all the characters of T. And in our final string, we will have that particular substring, which is our answer, containing all the characters of T. So what we will do, we are going to return final at the end. So I hope the question is very much clear to you all. If the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.